Hello everyone, welcome to KGS IAS YouTube channel and I am Shubham Sharma, your economy faculty. Friends, you all know that the current affairs importance is exceptionally high in both prelims and mains. And we are discussing a very important economy current affairs today, that is digital payment index. This is our current affairs magazine edition for September month, and in this particular current affairs magazine we are trying to cover as much as the current affairs possible. And if you talk about in this particular September month edition, we are covering almost all those subjects in which the current affairs part is very significant. Like we have polity, governance, we have IR, economy and agriculture, environment, social issue, science tech. So this is the brief idea about this magazine. So today we will discuss about digital payment index. What is this digital payment index? We will discuss in detail because this particular issue is extremely important when we talk about our economic perspective. So what is digital payment index? See, as you all know, the current government is focusing a lot on financial inclusion. And this financial inclusion is possible because of this digital technology, digital payment technology. So in this digital payment technology, this digital payment index is exceptionally important because this will help us to know how much financial inclusion is promoted with the help of this digitalization. So RBI is saying that we are releasing a digital payment index, and in this digital payment index they are saying that the score for March 2025 is at 493.22. Now what this score of March 493 of digital payment index 493.22 means? This digital payment index was published by RBI with a base period of March 2018. मतलब यहाँ पर जो base period लिया गया है वो March 2018 का लिया गया, and that base period score is 100. Now if you compare this base period score of 100 of March 2018 with March 2025, the score is 493.22. That means there's an increase of almost 4 times in digital payment system, in digital payment index. That simply says that the financial inclusion in India is promoting with the help of this digital payment. Now in this digital payment index, if we talk about, this index is published by RBI on semi-annual basis, and if we talk about last 6 years, over 65,000 crore digital transactions have taken place with the amount of more than 12,000 lakh crore. Now this digital payment index have a very important part which consists of 5 broad parameters. These 5 broad parameters are payment performance, which is having the highest percentage weight, and this may be asked in prelims exam. Like they will ask which of the following are the broad parameter under the digital payment index. So they are the 5 ones: payment performance having the highest percentage weight, then payment enabler having 25%, payment infrastructure supply side factor 15%, payment infrastructure demand side factor 10%, and consumer centricity 5%. So I will explain you in broad what are these 5 broad parameters, because they are the most important component under this digital payment index. So let's discuss these 5 parameters in detail. The first is payment performer. Payment performer. What is included in payment performer? As this is the first one, a payment performance, we can say payment performance or payment performer performance. What all is included in this payment performance? Let's discuss this. So it includes number of UPI transactions, okay, done, that is done monthly, Apart from that, volume and value of debit and credit card, volume and value of debit card, credit card usage. Then apart from that, number of online bill payment, that is regarding to electricity, like electricity, mobile recharge, like electricity, mobile recharge, electricity, mobile recharge. Apart from that, mobile wallet transaction, mobile wallet transactions, mobile wallet transactions, and growth in NEFT RTGS, growth in NEFT RTGS IMPS. So these all are included in payment performance. These all are included in payment performance. Then the next is payment enabler. Payment enabler. The second one. What all are included in payment enabler? Like government initiatives. Government initiative. For example, Digital India. For example, Digital India. Then we have RBI policies to promote cashless economy. RBI policies to promote cashless economy. To promote cashless economy. Apart from that, awareness program for digital literacy. Awareness program for digital literacy. Awareness program for digital literacy. Then we have multi-language support in payment app. Multi-language support in payment app. This is all included in payment enabler. This is all included in payment enabler. Then the third one is payment infrastructure supply side. Payment infrastructure supply side. Payment infrastructure supply side. What all is included in this part? Number of point of sale machine. Number of point of sale machine. Number of point of sale machine. Then apart from that, number of branch. Number of bank branch or ATM. Number of branches of bank. Branches of bank and ATM. Number of branches of bank and ATM. Then availability of that is availability of QR code. QR code. Apart from that, payment gateways. Payment gateway. Like Razor Pay. Like Razor Pay. Like Razor Pay. Then server time performance. Server uptime. Server uptime and performance of payment platform. And performance of payment platform. Performance of payment platform. This is payment infrastructure supply side. Then the fourth is payment infrastructure demand side. Payment infrastructure demand side. Payment infrastructure demand side. Now what all is included in this demand side? Number of people with smartphone. Number of people with smartphone. कितने लोगों के पास स्मार्टफोन है? Number of people with smartphone. Then internet penetration. Internet penetration. And internet speed. And internet speed in rural and urban area. In rural and urban area. Then apart from that, number of people with bank account linked to mobile. Number of people with bank account linked to mobile. Linked to mobile. Apart from that, language support. Language support. Language support. And accessibility for general people. Accessibility for general public. This is all included in payment infrastructure demand side. And the last one is consumer centricity. Consumer centricity. Now, what all is being included in consumer centricity? User friendly platform. User friendly platform. Is the platform user friendly? User friendly platform. Then response time of consumer support. Response time of consumer support. Consumer support response time. Response time of consumer support. Security features. Security features like OTP. Security feature like OTP. Redressal system. Redressal system for failure transaction. Failure transaction. Redressal system for failure transaction. Consumer feedback. Consumer feedback. These all parts are included in consumer centricity. These all parts are included in consumer centricity. So these are the 5 things: payment performance, payment enabler, payment infrastructure supply side, payment infrastructure demand side, and consumer centricity. So all these things are the major things covered under it. And what is the reason why we have a rapid adoption of digital payment? Because of low internet data cost, massive mobile subscriber base, robust growth in UPI, one app for all accounts, safe payment, privacy first, QR code convenience, 24/7 money access. All these things are the major reasons. Now, if we talk about what are the initiatives run by government to promote this, what all are the initiatives of government? So first of all, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, the biggest scheme to promote financial inclusion. As of July 9, 2025, 55.83 crore accounts have been created. Then Bheem UPI for small transaction, TREAD system, which facilitate timely payment for MSME by invoicing discounting at competitive rate. Then MDR rationalization for debit card, that is merchant discount rate on debit card. Government reduced and eliminated this MDR rationalization of debit cards. Then payment infrastructure development fund and Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan to promote literacy. So these all are the initiatives, these all are the successful initiatives through which we can say this digital payment index is actually achieving a great height. Friends, when we talk about the civil service exam, the prelims exam has its own importance. Because if you clear this prelims exam, then only you appear for mains exam. And to know this importance, we are conducting a scholarship test, that is UPSC All India Scholarship Test, for our upcoming prelims test series. Now, the special features of this scholarship test, this is completely in bilingual mode. That means you will get the scholarship test questions in both Hindi and English. It is in offline mode. Remember this is in offline mode. The date of test is on 20th September. The timing for GS GS paper is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and for CSAT 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. You can also scan this QR for more details. The registration will start from 2nd of September and the last date of registration is 19th of September. The registration is completely free of cost. Now, what is the benefit of this scholarship test? Top 100 students will get 50% off on this prelims test series, UPSC prelims test series, and they also get the free online mentorship. As I said, this is completely in offline mode. We have the respective centers to appear for this test. In Delhi, we have Karol Bagh and Mukherjee Nagar. Then in Dehradun also we are conducting this scholarship test. Musalpur, Boring Road, and in Prayagraj. We are conducting this scholarship test, and you can call on this number 9319 293 for further details, and also you can visit our website khanglobalstudies.com. So I expect that you all should give this scholarship test so that you will get a good concession in the prelims test series, and you all can boost your prelims preparation. Thank you so much. God bless you all.